Welcome to this overview video for Steampunk from Fallout Music Group. This is a huge collection of sounds for all types of media composers, focusing on the mechanical sounds of clocks, cranks, levers, metals, water wheels, drills, furnaces, engines and other industrial machines. These samples are perfect for dark and wretched tension scoring, or times when you need metallic sounds for shock and surprise. In this run through I'll mostly be playing the sounds using the hits and pattern engines. I won't be delving into the interfaces in too much detail, as these are pretty much exactly the same in operation as those for our previous instrument, Unstrung. The pattern engine is perfect for creating wild mechanical rhythms, and the 3-layer hits engine is great for layering up the sounds of steampunk into brutal hits with dramatic whooshes. There are separate videos on each of these engines, so do check those out if you want to know the specifics. So let's dive in. First off, there's a choice between using the hits and patterns contact engines, or dragging and dropping the over 350 samples directly into your DAW. These samples are supplied in 24-bit 48K WAV format in their own folders. So here's the patterns instrument with the 16-step sequencer, randomization options and per step volume, panning, length and tuning adjustments. Let's take a listen to just some of the snapshot presets. These patterns sync to your host DAW tempo with clicks, clangs, buttons, grinds, metals, and other machine effects. There are full randomization options allowing you to select to randomize all sounds, leave out the tonal samples, just use clicks and machines, or add in metals as well. Of course, for each step you can choose your own preferred samples too from the extensive list, and also play them on the individual keys. This is a great way to map a bunch of samples and then use them as a kit to play in your own manual patterns. Distortion, reverb and delay effects can all be set up and synced. This gives extra dimension to the sequences. The hits instrument combines 3 sound elements from the hundreds of samples available to create impacts that really slam. Again, there are plenty of presets to get you started. You have complete control over every element of the sound, choosing which samples to assign to the 3 layers, or letting randomization take the strain. ADSR controls, filters, tuning, mixing, panning, and multiple effects can totally transform the playback and tone of the sounds. As an added bonus, there's 80 designed whooshes playable across the keyboard. And these add a dramatic rise to build into your hits. As you heard, steampunk is just overflowing with mechanical goodness, or should I say badness. It contains the kinds of sounds that'll easily punch through your scores with rusty rolls and hardcore hits. Just a reminder, don't forget to watch the videos for Sister Library Unstrung, as these tutorials cover the engines in much more detail. For more information about steampunk, navigate to falloutmusicgroup.com for audio demos and tech specs. Thanks for watching.